Hello and welcome to a new tutorial of mrv2. In this tutorial we're going to see some of the new improvements to the user interface, and we're going to see the new stereo 3D capabilities of mrv2. Well, one of the improvements is the smooth brush, which paints with a smooth brush. As you can see, that's the two different types of smooth. Another improvement is that clicking on any of the drawing tools twice hides and opens the annotation panel. Another of the improvements is that the selection area can now select an area of 1 pixel, so that you can quickly see the pixel values and leave it there while the animation is playing. To remove the 1 pixel value, you just have to select another drawing tool or a scrub tool. Okay, let's go to see the 3D views, the Stereo 3D panel. First, we're going to open the files panel. We're going to close it. We're going to load a multi-view image. In this case, as we can see, there's a color channel, there's a left channel, and there's a right channel. We can select now the Stereo 3D panel, which has these options. It has a copy of the picture that you can select, but we're not going to do it manually. We just do it quickly, select image here, and automatically the picture color selects the left channel in this case. We can go here and select the right channel here. Select swap eyes, for example, if we want the right channel to take over. And the default is the anaglyph. We can select also to see it as scan lines, as columns, or as a checkerboard. Let's leave it out. Anaglyph is probably the most common format. We can switch. We can also move the eye separation. And that's all it. We can also select to open different images. We're not just limited to open EXRs. We can show movies. We can make 2 movies of any kind. Be stereo movies. We select that, image anaglyph, and suddenly the 2 movies are playing as if they were 3D movies. Of course, as they are not 3D movies, this doesn't look very good, but you get the idea. Another of the new features of mrv2 version 0.6.0 is the ability to set how the missing frames are shown. By default, the missing frame is shown as a black frame, but it can also be shown as a repeat frame or as a scratch frame. Let's load the sequence. The default is the black frames, as we can see. But if we go to the preferences, we can set it up to loading scratch frames. And then the frames will be shown with an X in between, and the frames are repeated. So this is not so disturbing on viewing the playback. This is useful when you are rendering frames and you want to see how the render is coming.